BGT consists of two junctions. You see, the N side and the P side makes one PN junction, and this P side and this N makes another PN junction. So the junctions we already learned, we called it E, B, J, which is emitter bus junction. Another is C, B, J, which is collected to base junction. So we have two PN junction diode, two PN junction diode. It's connected back to back. So that means once I can declare the BGT is nothing but two PN junction diode, so immediately I can put everything into the realm of PN junction diode concept that we already learned our previous lectures. So we don't have to do anything new. Only thing, the knowledge that we gained there, we're going to apply it. And as we already learned from our diode concept, that if you have one diode, there are two ways we can bias the diodes. That means you can make it forward biased or reverse biased. Similarly, CBJ, you can make it forward biased or reverse biased. So this way, if there are two PN junction diode, there are four possibilities. It could be forward biased, reverse biased, forward biased, reverse biased, or reverse biased, forward biased. And that we already learned that they are called saturation. One is cutoff, and the third one is active, and the fourth one is reverse active, which we don't usually consider for our case. So now we have the circuit diagram, we have the connection diagram where the BGT is operated in activeness. So the connections are made such that BGT is operating in active region. So how is that? You see, this is our emitter to base junction. This is our PN junction EBJ. So that means you have to imagine there is a depletion region, and this in this depletion region, okay, there is exposed negative ion, and in this depletion region, exposed positive ion. Similarly, collected to base junction, we have another depletion region, and in the N side, exposed positive charge, exposed negative charge. And this depletion region is forward biased. You see, the positive terminal is connected to the P side and the negative terminal is connected to the N side. And this depletion region CBJ is connected to, is reverse biased. That means the negative terminal is connected to the P side and the positive terminal is connected to the N side. So that is how it is reverse biased, it is forward biased. And immediately we know, immediately you can recall what happens. A forward bias voltage is applied across a PN junction diode. We know that the thing that happens physically within the structure is that, you know, depletion region width becomes smaller. So therefore the electric field becomes smaller, you see, and then you can say the voltage, barrier voltage becomes smaller. So all those things happens. See, that means diffusion process restart. So diffusion process okay. So which means as soon as we apply forward bias voltage, we know that since all those things happens to the depletion region width, so electron will diffuse from P side to N side, hole will diffuse from N side to P side. So we're going to expect injection of electron. Diffusion means injection of electron. If you have electrons, electron will be injected from N side to P side. So holes will be injected from P side to N side. Now we know that as soon as we consider the injection of carrier across the junction, and that is due to some external voltage, which means the battery is pumping electron into the N side. So, and this battery, so this electrons, once it has entered into P side from N side, so immediately become excess minority carrier. Similarly, for hole, so battery is going to pump hole into the P side, okay, and this hole, once it diffuses from base to the emitter, and the hole is majority carrier in base side. Once it has entered into the emitter region, it will become immediately, it will become excess minority carrier hole. So that means, so everything is familiar. On the other hand, we know in, if the device is, if the junction is reverse bias, we already learned that the concentration of total carrier at the depletion region edge, so if it is electron, is 0. Okay, 0, 0. So that is like that. So this is our, the depletion region of P site, this is N site, and this is N P naught thermal equilibrium electron concentration in P site, and this is our P N naught, which is thermal equilibrium minority carrier concentration in N site. So that is uniform in both the neutral P site and neutral N site. And this is a depletion. Remember, this is a depletion region. And at reverse bias case, we learned that the profile would be, the total minority carrier concentration profile would be like this one. Profile would like this one. Which means the concentration, the total concentration, total minority carrier concentration, N P at x is equal to minus xp is equal to 0. Similarly, this is our x is equal to xn. At that position, Pn, which is total minority carrier, is 0. So it means that this is the profile. So the total concentration of minority carrier at that edge is 0. Total concentration of minority carrier at that edge is 0. So now that we learn these things, we can immediately know what the carrier profile looks like. That looks like this. So you can consider this, not consider, this is our emitter site. So it's NPN emitter site, where the, let's say the majority carrier is N, and the minority carrier, thermal equilibrium minority carrier is N. So P N naught, okay, and the total minority carrier is P N X, which consists of two parts: thermal equilibrium minority carrier plus excess minority carrier. Base side. So now, so emitter and base, both of them are forward biased. Both of them are forward biased. So that means electron will be injected from N site to the P site, and then this electron will become excess minority carrier. So that is our total X minority carrier, and the total minority carrier, as it is moving through the neutral P site, it will experience diffusion as well as recombination. Okay, and then so our concentration drops, concentration of excess minority carrier, which is NPX, which consists of NPX. It is NP naught thermal equilibrium minority carrier plus del NP, so excess minority carrier, which is X at any position. Okay. Now we have to consider, now this is what it looks like in the base side. So emitter side, So this is our hole concentration. So holes are majority carrier in base side, and as they are injected into the N side, emitter side, that will immediately become excess minority carrier, and the total minority carrier at any position which is P and X. Let's say this position P and X, it consists of two parts. One is thermal equilibrium minority carrier, which is P and naught, plus the excess one. Just let's say this part is our excess one, del Pn. And again, the hole will experience diffusion because the concentration is high here and concentration is low on that side. Also recombination, because as the hole is traveling through the neutral N side, it is going to encounter majority carrier and they're going to recombine. So therefore, this is the profile looks like. So in that case, both emitter base junction, this side is forward bias, this both of them are forward bias, this side is forward bias. So that's how the profile look like. If you look into the other side, the base side and the collector side, okay, it is reverse bias. CBJ reverse bias. So reverse bias means we already learned from our previous slide that the concentration is zero in both sides. If it is reverse bias, chok bondho kore, you can say that the concentration is zero on the edge. So that's what it looks like. The total concentration is zero. The concentration of carrier, total minority carrier on the depletion region edge, both side is zero. So which means in the base side, if you notice in the base side, in the left-hand side, we have high concentration of total minority carrier. And on the collector side, which is zero. Okay. So that is the profile for the carrier in a PN junction and PN BGT when it is in active region. Okay. So again, if you go look into the collected side, so collected side, there are electron as majority carrier, let's say N naught, okay, and its corresponding thermal equilibrium minority carriers P and naught. And since we don't have any excess carrier being injected from either side, so the excess, since it is reverse bias, so excess carrier or the depletion region edge will drop. The total carrier will drop. Okay. In fact, what happens? The electrons, starting from here, electrons starting from here, it will diffuse and then diffuse, and at the same time it will recombine. As soon as it comes here, what happens? You see, they are going to experience an electric field. I mean, physically, the electric field. So this electric field is going to act like that. It is going to attract the electron. So you see on the edge there is electrons. You see, we are talking about p side base, p side excess minority carrier is electron. So this electron, as soon as they find themselves under the influence of electric field, they will be drifted across the depletion region. তার মানে যে shy করে এখান থেকে এখানে চলে যাবে. Similarly, hole in n side, which is our majority carries electron, minority carries hole. So when the holes, when they from the bulk, so this is, let's say this is our bulk. We already discussed what bulk is. Bulk is a neutral and or p side. From the bulk, so they will diffuse because the concentration of minority carrier here is high. P and naught is high, but here low. So there is a natural tendency for a hole to diffuse from high concentration to low concentration. So therefore they diffuse. So as soon as they find themselves on the edge of this depletion region, so they experience an electric field. So there is an electric field. And this is, let's say this is our edge. So as soon as the hole find themselves on the edge of this depletion region, so the hole will be drifted from N side to P side or collected to base. Okay. So that's why in continuously you will see at the edge, electron will be drifted, hole will be drifted. So that means there is no opportunity for electron to build up the concentration, no opportunity for hole to build up concentration. Electron আসা মাত্রই চলে যাচ্ছে, hole আসা মাত্রই চলে যাচ্ছে. Why? The concentration, total concentration always remain 0. Okay. So that is how we can explain the operation principle of NPN BGT in active fission operation.